In 2025, chocolate lovers are in for a treat. Picture this: rich, velvety chocolate desserts that tantalize the taste buds and evoke pure bliss. Imagine a molten lava cake, with its gooey center oozing warm chocolate, paired perfectly with a scoop of vanilla bean ice cream. Each bite is a decadent experience, melting away the stresses of the day. Next up, a classic chocolate mousse, whipped to airy perfection. The silky texture dances on the palate, while a hint of espresso elevates the flavor to new heights. And let's not forget about chocolate-covered strawberries. Fresh, juicy berries dipped in luscious dark chocolate create a delightful contrast that's simply irresistible. For those adventurous bakers, how about trying a chocolate soufflé? This airy dessert rises to perfection, creating a light yet indulgent treat that will impress anyone at the dinner table. Now, halfway through this chocolate journey, don't forget to subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes and delightful desserts that will keep your sweet tooth satisfied. Back to the chocolate magic. Let's explore a rich chocolate tart, with a buttery crust filled with a silky ganache. Topped with a sprinkle of sea salt, this dessert is a symphony of flavors that will leave everyone craving more. And for the ultimate chocolate fix, a homemade hot chocolate bar. Set up a station with whipped cream, marshmallows, and flavored syrups. Each cup becomes a personalized masterpiece, perfect for cozy nights in. So, whether it's a special occasion or just a sweet craving, these chocolate delights are sure to impress. Get ready to indulge in the world of chocolate like never before in 2025.